Assalamu alaikum, friends. This mouth-watering and tastiest spaghetti was made under 20 minutes. Let me show you how I made it. So, in a pan, I added my olive oil. Then I added some onions, fry until it was translucent. Then I went ahead to add my green sauce. If you want to check out this green sauce, I have the recipe down below. Then after adding my green sauce, I stir it and fry for a little bit. Then I went ahead to add my chop up tomatoes. In this recipe, I added some of my all-purpose tomato stew, which makes my life easier because it was a well done stew that I just added it and it gave us the jollof color and it was so delicious. If you want to check out that stew too, I'll link it up here. Yeah, I hope each and everybody is doing wonderfully well. So after adding my tomatoes, I went ahead to add some green herbs, of course. Then I added some curry powder, fry everything to combine. Then I added my tuna. So back in Africa, you would have added some smoked salmon, smoked mackerel, or a tuna. Over here, I didn't have that, so I went ahead to add my canned tuna to it, and it gives the same taste. After adding that, you have to fry it a little bit. Then you go ahead to add your all-purpose stew, which I did over here. If you don't have the all-purpose stew, you can just make a quick stew. Then it will give you the same taste as well or result. After that, I fried that to combine. Then I went ahead to add my seasonings to it. I added some black pepper, some crushed pepper flakes for some heat, and some chicken seasoning. After adding that, you will mix everything to combine, let it fry. This frying is very important because it's going to let everything marry itself, soak in all the juices, and yeah, cover it up and let it do its thing. Right now, I just came up to check up on it, and as you can see, it's looking so beautiful and smells so good in here. You can see there are some oil that starts setting on top. That's when you know the stew is ready. Then I went ahead to add my carrot and my sausage. Yeah, this sausage is part of the recipe. Please don't omit it. Yeah, after adding everything, I'm gonna stir everything to combine. Then, of course, you have to leave it to let it marry itself. This delicious spaghetti jollof, it's very easy. It took me less than like 30 minutes to finish this recipe, and I was very grateful. It's one of the lazy meals that you can have. Cover everything, then I came back to check up on it, and everything looks good. As you can see, you can even take out some of this too and put it aside and have it with kenke, with bangkun, with plain rice, you name it. And it smells so good as well. And over here, you go ahead to add your spaghetti. I use whole grain spaghetti in this recipe. You can go ahead and use any kind of spaghetti that is available to you. And as I always say, cooking is just trying to put what you have at the time. So everything works. You go according to your preferences. You omit and add anything that you want in your food. After all, you are the one that is going to consume it. Yeah. So after adding the spaghetti, you have to mix everything together. Make sure spaghetti can be like you can see some of it like pushing out of the pan. You mix everything to combine, then you make sure you tuck everything in it so that you get the worms and the stew, and yeah. After tacking everything, you have to fry it a little bit before you go ahead to add some water. So over here, spaghetti doesn't take long to cook, so you just have to add, let's say, half a cup of water based on the amount of spaghetti you are cooking. Then you just cover it to cook, and voila, you have your dinner or your lunch ready. Over here, I came to check up on it and it looks delicious, but we have some finishing touches to it. We have to add the rest of the veggies to it. This spaghetti is called talia, and back home they sell one in front of my house, and oh my goodness gracious, I have to get this before I go to Makaranta. Yeah, or if I don't get it before Makaranta, we would have to come back with my friends to get it from Makaranta, and it was so delicious. When I was eating this spaghetti and cooking it, I was just having memories from back home. If you have enjoyed watching me till now, thank you so much. Please subscribe and like to your girl. Share this video to any person that it will be helpful for. Yeah, after adding these veggies, the spaghetti is as done because I didn't want the veggies to be so soft. So you just cover it out and it's ready. If you want to cook the veggies for a little bit longer, you can just do that. But yeah, it's as done. And my favorite part is the kanzo. Yes, don't even play with me when it comes to cancer. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate you all. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.